Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and first of all we have to turn off those automatic options to be able to set the date and time manually. So let's tap on them. And now we can freely tap on date and choose it from the calendar, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just mark it and it will be immediately applied. We can change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available ones, so find yours and tap on it, just like that. What is more, we can change the time format. So currently we are using the 12-hour one. We can use 24-hour format just by tapping on the switcher right here. So this is the manual customization. If you want, you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.